I just wanted to show you how simple it is to play the Arabian, also known as the Hijaz scale. A lot of people say it kind of has like a snake charming vibe to it, which I think is cool. Kind of sounds mysterious. And this is just really simple to play, and I wanted to explain it to you in case you're interested. So this flute is made by Miguel over at Singing Tree Flutes, and it's in the key of B. So when you think about what note the flute is in, it's when you have all the holes covered. That's going to be the fundamental note of the flute. So what you're going to want to do first is make sure that the sound block is lined up properly and that you cover all the holes with your fingers firmly yet gently so that no air seeps out and you don't get that squeaking sound. So what you're going to do is just start with all the holes covered, and you're going to slowly lift one finger at a time, starting from the bottom, going all the way to the very top. And as you do that, you're going to gently increase how hard you're blowing into the flute. So when all holes are covered, you're going to be blowing very gently and slowly increase how hard you're blowing until you get to the very top. You'll be blowing the hardest. And then reverse that as you go down the scale. So just practice going up and down the scale to get your fingers used to covering the holes. And you can practice fluttering your fingers and just start playing around with it. Now remember, if you want to play this hole, you're going to have all holes underneath it open, right? So you're not going to do like this, you're going to do this, okay? So that's all there is to it. You just play around with it, and you're going to end up coming up with some little tunes and some music, and you can definitely watch other people play. Miguel's awesome at this to find inspiration. So if you're interested, you can use the code Stephanie over at singingtreeflutes.com for $25 off any of his flutes, and they are all amazing. So let me know if you do use my code, and I'll send you free access to my intro to the flute teaching video as a free gift. All right, sending you love and light, and I'll see you soon.